don't find those bio-obliterators soon, we're all gonna be robots. Not that there's anything wrong with that.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you win?
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Maybe he doesn't. Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
Are you ready to play? All right, let's meet our first contestant. He's an unemployed rocket mechanic who claims to have saved 2 galaxies, but most people know him as Secret Agent Clank's bumbling chauffeur. He hopes that disguising himself as a Tyhrranoid will make him more attractive to the ladies.
After all those hollow things, there is one thing you should know by now. Do not mess with Agent Clank. One disposable pop star disposed.
Time has come to resume my duties as the greatest hero the galaxy has ever known, Captain Qwark! Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination, or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly!
I was going to kill you quick, but I have changed my mind. I promise just a little off the top. I will cut you like a quiche. Who does your hair? It is terrible.
Too long have we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule.
The Phoenix is the pride of the galactic fleet. She's equipped with the latest technology. Holodeck training suite, auto vendors for armor and weapons, virtual firing range, starfighter upgrade system, even a Gadgetron VG-9000 game system.
Just hours ago, bio-obliterators devastated Metropolis. The devices have since disappeared and their current location is unknown. Galactic citizens are in a state of hysteria, reacting to news that Dr. Nefarious is planning identical attacks across the galaxy. Greetings, Client 91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed a graphic subprocessor.
That's what makes it so good, Janice. Feel it. My heart is pounding like an anvil.
First, you narrowly survive a series of death-defying stunts, yada yada. You defeat the terror of Talos, yada yada yada. Finally, you rescue the Baroness, played by the lovely Miss Courtney Gears.
Am I glad to see you, Sarge? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
My code name is Shadow Dude, bro. Black Ops are my speciality. I figured you guys could use my help. Oh, it's you two again. Right on schedule. This here's one of the nastiest, smelliest sewers in the galaxy. Most guys wouldn't set foot in a place like this, but me? I just can't get enough.
Wrecked Star Cruiser, huh? Yeah, you sound like a girl who knows how to party. What say you and me go to the cyber disco later on? Feel the pain, lovebacks. Remember me? I'm out of here.
So, you've come back to this place as my training course once again, hmm? You slackers are always looking for the easy way out. When you can pass the course, you can have the device. Light 'em up, Barry. Your turn. Mwah! Thank you, thank you. I know I'm beautiful.
I seen him run right through our camping site. He was butt naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana.
Our demographic research indicates that robots will make up 100% of the galactic population by this time next week. Of course, that's great news for my re-election campaign because, as you know, I'm half robot myself.
I had a small run-in with the cops concerning a suck cannon upgrade that was mistakenly sold to a minor. I swear the kid looked 18.
Is this important, sir? It's almost time for my solo. I call it Base Odyssey. These are the real-life adventures of Captain Qwark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known. Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant! There's too many of them! We're all gonna die!
Oh, Gratch, I can't. It's not right. You're my cousin's uncle's son.
This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life?